Good afternoon, my name is Fred Aberle, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of a Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. This boat is equipped with twin 250 horsepower Mercury engines, carries 200 gallons of fuel, giving you a range of about 180 miles with about 10% reserve. Down below, you can spend the night on this boat. It's comfortable for two, large berth area. The boat comes equipped with a stovetop, microwave, sink, and in the head there is a stand-up shower. The boat is capable of a cruise of about 28 knots, wide open throttle. The boat approaches about 40 knots. The head has a telescopic shower, a vacuum flush head in itself. Large head, good size sink, and it's got about a 6-foot clearance for head height. In the cockpit, the 285 Conquest has plenty of seating room for your guests. This turns into a very nice lunch area, actually. This slides out, becomes a nice table to have sandwiches. Of course, this inset pulls and gets out of the way as well. While you're on the way, though, for sunning, reading, it's quite comfortable. Over on the helm side, you've got a 12-inch Raymarine GPS, depth sounder, easy to read nav panel, twin digital throttles. The boat also has thwart chip trim tabs, spotlight, of course a compass, wonderful steering, hydraulic assist. Again, the boat is powered by twin 250 horsepower motors, so she handles quite easily at the dock. Back aft in the large fishing area, which can also combine to be a great relaxing area, the seats pull out. Large 25-gallon fish boxes on either side. There is another pedestal table that pulls out in the middle. You'll notice that the boat also comes equipped with a large 20-gallon live well. The boat carries 30 gallons of fresh water. So for a combination of relaxing, entertaining, and fishing, the Boston Whaler absolutely has it all when it comes to the Conquest. We're MarineMax of Westbrook, Connecticut, located at 627 Boston Post Road, 399-5581. The area code is 860. Come see us. We'll be here to talk to any of our knowledgeable sales staff about the Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. Thank you.